Hey y'all, and welcome back. Tonight we're making Philly cheesesteak hot dogs. So come on, and we're going to be cooking them on the Blackstone. So y'all, let's get ready and dig in. Now that we've got our oil heating up, we're going to go ahead and start adding our onions. Got to get them all out of there. And we're going to add a green bell pepper. And now we just got to get this starting to get good and hot, and we're going to caramelize these onions. We're going to add a little black pepper to the onions and peppers, and a little bit of salt. Now we just got to let them cook down. Alright, we've got our peppers and onions done. Now I'm going to take them up and we're going to set them on this plate right here and set them to the side. And now I'm going to add a little more oil back to my Blackstone. And we're going to add our shredded beef steak. Alright, now that I got my beef steak done, I'm going to go ahead and put my peppers and onions back in it. Now we're going to add our cheese. Get it all rounded up. And now we're going to put the lid on it. and let it melt. Not ready yet. Okay, now we're going to take our Philly cheesesteaks off of here and set them to the side. Alright, now add you a little bit more oil to your Blackstone. We're fixing to cook the dogs. And you've got to butterfly them like this and lay them flat down. Once you get them flat down and they're starting to cook, put one of these on them or something that'll weigh them down. You can even use an iron skillet if you don't have one of these. Alright, now we're going to flip our hot dogs over. And get the other side just for a second. Alright, now we've got them like we want them. We're going to take the hot dogs off the Blackstone. Now that we've got the hot dogs off the Blackstone, we're going to put these together. Okay, now we're going to put our hot dogs together. We're going to start by adding a little mayonnaise just to our bun. That's what Travis wants. You can put whatever you want on yours, but he wants just a little mayonnaise. And then we're going to add a little black pepper and a little salt. You're going to lay your hot dog down in the bun, and then you're going to take your Philly steak cheese with your peppers and onions, and just cover the top of your hot dog. Just like that. Woo! Y'all look at that. That's gonna be good. I'm gonna straighten it out just a little so it don't fall apart. Put a little bit more on this end. That right there is gonna be some good eating, y'all. All right, y'all, let's dig in. Okay, y'all, thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoy it. If you think you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.